Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. This is your host Kushali Shah and we are back with tasty starters, and this time it is crunchy veggie balls. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for crunchy veggie balls are breadcrumbs, cabbage, all 3 bell peppers, olive oil, cornflour, cheese, broccoli, baby corn, zucchini, Tabasco sauce, celery leaves, green chilies, basil leaves, chilli flakes, oregano, salt and tomato ketchup. First we'll take all 3 bell peppers finely chopped, around 1.5 tablespoon each. If you don't want to use all 3 bell peppers, you all can use either of the one. 2 tablespoon finely chopped broccoli, 2 tablespoon finely chopped zucchini, 2 tablespoon finely chopped baby corn. I'm going to use both the cabbage. If you all don't have red cabbage, you all can avoid using it. So it's going to be 2 tablespoon each. 2 grated Amul Cheese, 2 tablespoon cornflour and around 4 to 5 tablespoon breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, around 1.5 teaspoon celery leaves and the stalk, 1 teaspoon crushed green chilies, 1 tablespoon basil leaves, salt to taste. Don't add too much of salt because cheese will have salt. Around 1.5 teaspoon Tabasco sauce. If you all don't have this, you all can avoid using it. And around 1.5 tablespoon ketchup. Just mix all this together and make a dough. This is done. Now we are just going to make small balls out of it. Like this. Do with the rest of it. So I have made all the balls out of that dough. Now we are just going to roll it in breadcrumb. I have used brown breads. You all can even use white bread instead of brown bread. And instead of bread, you all can even roll it in maida or rava. And deep fry it. So once it's golden brown, we'll remove it. It looks really nice and crispy. Just remove all the excess oil. Our crunchy veggie balls are ready. Our crunchy veggie balls are ready. I hope you like this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.